This video is ideal if you have tried to set up your motor and need some further assistance to finalize the setup. We will show you how to factory reset the motor so we can start a fresh installation. Thereafter, we will get you to completely set everything up from scratch. Steps included in this video: factory reset the motor pairing, check and change direction if needed, top and bottom limit setting. With a small tool or your finger, press and hold the P button for 14 seconds. Check the motor jogs 4 times during that 14 seconds. The factory reset is now complete. Press the P button on the head of the motor for 2 seconds until the motor responds. Select the desired channel you are going to use for operating that motor. Now within 10 seconds, press and hold the stop button on the remote control until the motor responds. The motor has now been paired successfully. Press the up and down arrow on the remote control. If the motor moves in the opposite direction to the arrows, you need to change the motor's direction. If you need to change the direction, press and hold the up and down arrows for 3 seconds until the motor responds. Slowly press the arrows until the sheet is in the desired bottom limit position. Take caution and do it slowly because you have no limits. Now press and hold up and stop together for 2 seconds until the motor responds. Slowly press the arrows until the sheet is in the desired top limit position. Take caution and do it slowly because you have no limit in your motor. Now press and hold up and stop together for 2 seconds until the motor responds. The setup is now complete. Question: contact us.